go after the float. Donnie, you get the girls to the festival.
Donnie can do.
Jet Super Speed! Whoa! Kirsten's wig! But I can't go after it. I've got a float to fetch. Powered slug action! Phew!
Huh? My wig! Come back here! Oh no! The poor donkey is frightened because of my wig! We have to pull the poor donkey out and back! Whoa! Let this princess save you, princess! Ah! Easy now, boy. Let's get that wig off of you, okay?
That was magnificent, my princess. But we still have one more problem.
Ah!
Jet, you made it!
Let's stop that float together, Donnie.
Let's do this!